Hello everybody, this is Kyra with my Porch Prints tutorials, and today we are just going to be doing a flip through of our finished journal. So I won't be talking too much, but I just wanted to kind of put in a couple of notes here. One, some of these pages might not look familiar, and that's because I didn't really get to show you how I made those pages. I sort of just ran out of time with everything that happened this month, but most of the pages we did get to cover, so that's great. And if you are new to the channel or just haven't seen any of the videos, I will have the playlist for how we put this journal together linked down in the description box below. But I think that covers everything besides saying Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from all of us at My Porch Prints, and we will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Thanks! Bye!